Reported speech involves changing place words when the speaker and listener are in different locations. The key changes are here becomes there, and this becomes that. These shifts help maintain the correct perspective in indirect speech. In reported speech, here always changes to there because the listener is no longer at the original location. Similarly, this changes to that because the object is now farther from the listener. These are the two main place word transformations beginners need to remember. Direct speech says it is cold here. In reported speech, she said it was cold there. Notice how here shifted to there because the speaker moved to a different location from the original speaker. Direct speech says I want this book. Reported speech becomes she said she wanted that book. This close demonstrative changes to that distant demonstrative when reporting to someone farther away. Direct speech commands put this here. Reported speech becomes he told me to put that there. Both place changes happen together, showing this becomes that and here becomes there in the same sentence. Place words must change when the speaker and listener are in different locations. Here becomes there, and this becomes that only when reporting speech from a different position. If everyone is still in the same place, no change is needed. Remember these two simple rules for place changes. Here always becomes there. This always becomes that. Apply both rules whenever you convert direct speech to reported speech. Practice converting this sentence. Direct speech says meet me here tomorrow with this. Change here to there and this to that. The reported version becomes he told me to meet him there the next day with that.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.